Do you suffer from dental problem, toothache, swollen jaws? Don't worry, I will show you how to prepare this simple organic recipe, and then you will be free from your tooth problem. Just pay attention. What you need to get is 2 or 3 coconuts. Then follow I'm going to do it. Follow me and learn how you are going to do it from this video. Don't skip any part of the video. So you need to get 2 coconuts or 3. When you get it, break them open, remove the water, and also remove the flesh inside. What you actually need is this hard shell. Can you see this hard shell? That is what you need. So you break them into pieces, break them into smaller pieces, just like this. Okay, be careful in order not to get injured. Break them into smaller pieces like this. And then, after breaking them into smaller pieces, get a small pot of water on fire. Okay, get a small pot of water on fire, and then you're going to see how we are going to prepare this recipe. It's an organic recipe that works well for tooth problems. Okay, get good quantity of water into a small pot that can take all the shells with water. Okay, you can see the water. All right, okay, and you put it on fire. Add all the shells into the water. All the shells that have been broken into pieces, put all of them in water. You add small quantity of salt into it, like that, and then cover it and set it on fire. Boil it for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So after it has boiled for about 10 to 15 minutes, then turn the power off. Then allow the water to cool down. After it has cooled down, then you take part of it into a small cup. Allow it to cool down to the extent that one can drink. Then you take small portion of it for drinking, very small, and then take more of that and use it to gargle in your mouth. So like I said, you allow it to cool down, then you take some portion of it. As you can see, it has turned into some light reddish in color. Okay, so you can sieve out that water now. You can see the color. So allow this to cool down to drinking temperature. Then you take a small part of it, like from ear to ear. You can drink that. Then you take another small part and gargle with it. When it has cooled down well, gargle with it in your mouth for like 2 to 3 minutes. You do that in the morning and also later in the night before you go to bed. So that is it. Very powerful and effective for toothache, swollen gums, and the like. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please share the video to others. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can get notified when we bring more interesting videos like this for organic drinks. See you another time. Bye bye.